Do you think is Tom Hanks's most prized possession? His two Oscars? His Presidential Medal of Freedom? No. Try a 1947 Royal Quiet Deluxe. Tom Hanks is an avid collector of vintage typewriters, owning over 250 of them, and he uses them every day. Not a prop, but his actual writing tool. In an age of laptops and smartphones, Hanks travels the world with a noisy, mechanical relic because to him, the click-clack of the keys is the sound of truth. He loves them so much, his entire debut collection of short stories, Uncommon Type, is built around the recurring motif of a different typewriter. This small, unexpected obsession tells you everything you need to know about the man. He's a throwback, a true original, and someone who believes there's still magic in the mechanics of a simple, beautiful machine. Tom Hanks proves that sometimes the best story isn't on the big screen, but typed out one key stroke at a time.